Good morning, student. Hi. Today we are going to deal about something very important, and the importance is isomerism. As we already studied the phenomena of isomerism in the 10th class, that compound having the same molecular structure but different molecular formula but different structure formula. Slight change in that is compound having same molecular formula but at least one different property. This process is called isomerism of compound. As the isomerism is considered, there are two types of isomerism. One is structural and another is stereoisomerism. In our syllabus in 12th class, we have to study about the chain isomerism and positional isomerism. What is structural isomerism? Compound having the same molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomerism. In stereo isomerism, compound having the same molecular formula but a different in the spatial arrangement of 3D, three dimension. But in syllabus in 12th class, we have to study only two type of isomerism: chain, positional. As there are many type of isomerism: metamerism, taumerism, ring chain isomerism, geometrical, optical isomerism. But in 12th syllabus, we have to only study chain and positional isomerism. As compared to chain isomerism, we come across the isomerism such that here the chain is different. Here the 4 carbon atom are given as noted as this one, and one chain is made downward. So in chain isomerism there is difference in the two type of structure, but the molecular formula remain the same: C4H9Cl, and the chain structure is different. In positional isomerism, compound having the same molecular form, the position of the halogen atom is different. Here we find that here the chlorine atom is at the last and here in the middle. So in the process of positional isomerism, the position of the halogens are different. Now we have to study about the nature of CX bond, halogen carbon bond. What are their nature? So as compared to halogen atom, we come across chlorine, fluorine, carbon, fluorine, carbon, chlorine, carbon, bromine, carbon, iodide or iodine. So in our syllabus or in our exam, there are number of question which arises from this nature. What is the bond length? How does the bond length depend upon this type of nature? So as we go from upside to down, we found that the bond length increases. Another factor is bond dissociation energy. At this case also the bond dissociation energy decreases. Size of the structure is increased, going from top to bottom, as compared to the electronegative. As we studied for previously, that in electronegativity, the transfer of electron or the gaining of the removal of electron depend upon electronegativity. Electronegativity is inversely proportional to the size. As the size increases, this decreases, and in this case it also decreases. Another topic is dipole moment. In physics also there is dipole moment. In chemistry also there is dipole moment. But the difference is between the charges and the distance. The distance is taken very much small. That is at the time of picometer, which is very small distance. So it is in chemistry it is denoted by mu equal to q into d, where q is charge and d is the distance, and charges where distance is very small, so we neglect distance. And in dipole moment there is exception. Firstly, we found that it decreases with the going from top to bottom, but in this the exception is that in here carbon chlorine is more, is highly dipole in that a high dipole moment is as compared to carbon fluorine, because of its electron gain enthalpy. This will be studied afterwards. Now the another topic comes to the MOP, that is method of preparation of haloalkane, and it is very much interesting and very much important. How can we prepare haloalkane with the help of alcohol? By alcohol we can prepared haloalkane by adding hydrochloric acid. When we add hydrochloric acid to the alcohol and we add zinc chloride as a catalyst, then we find that here the haloalkane is made and water is liberated, and this process is called here the liberation or the reagent is called Lucas reagent, and the whole process is Graves process, and here the reaction is dehydrating agent, because here the water is dehydrating. Here it is the example, and after that if 1 degree or 2 degree, this is the example of 1 degree 2 degree alcohol is made, same catalyst is used and we get water, and in 3 degree alcohol same catalyst is used, ZnCl2, and it is found that we find the following reactions. The reactions are very important, and we should study or read or memorize all the reaction for the good marks in the exam.